I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little cold start for you guys. This thing sounds louder in person too. It's currently running a 3-inch straight pipe all the way to the back onto an Spiller 500 muffler. It also has a cutout which I can close to make the exhaust a lot quieter. So, because I'm out here in Cali and you run the risk of getting state ref because of your exhaust, so I could close it with this button right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It closes the cutout, so now it's like a lot quieter. I'm just trying to cruise it, or you know, keep any negative attention away from me. But there is a Cars and Coffee event going on right now. I was actually supposed to meet up with a couple friends, but it is super early. It's the weekend, so I think they went out, so I'm still gonna go. I'm gonna take you guys along, probably have like a little POV drive of the Evo, and then get some action shots. So let's iron out there and let's see what happens. Got that super hard action clutch twin disc clutch. Super aggressive, but that race car life, right? You guys already know what's good. Love this stock turbo, it's so torquey. Bro, this thing just downed me. Evo. That was weird. It's because he's on 85, it's super early in the morning. I don't know. This car will never get old. Even with 400 horsepower, honestly, these cars are so much fun. You guys hear my brakes? They're giving out. I need rotors. Oh, that clutch. Oh, shit. Did you guys see that kid? He was covering his ears. Damn, bro, go get a Prius when you're older, please. We're out here in Southern California, disturbing the peace. Big little yellow light. Since I don't daily this car anymore, I honestly forget how fun it is to drive this thing when I do. It's honestly so much fun. I love this car. Oh shoot. Got me like half a tank of E, so it's actually pretty good. But this car does waste fuel really quickly. I only get like 150 miles to the whole tank, so, and it only fills up with like 25 bucks. I mean, it isn't that bad either, but yeah, this thing gets like 10 mpg. I know some of you guys want to see the cage as well. It's an auto power 6-point. It's bolted though. I do plan on switching it out though and going like a full welded just to be safer. It's currently SoCal weather and sun. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know, you guys are having a good day. Don't let things get you down. You know, enjoy every moment because you never know when you won't be here anymore. So just try to be positive. You know, it's just been crazy so far, but gotta make the best out of it, right? So let's go. So many clean cars out here. There's like no parking now. What up, dude? I didn't know you were coming.
Yeah, I just came to take some pictures, man. How you doing?
Sick, dude. Chilling, dude. Hey, where's the parking at?
Oh, I don't even. Dude, we parked over there.
What the heck, Gene? I didn't know you were coming.
I didn't know you were coming.
Dude, you didn't tell me.
You didn't tell me.
Where are you trying to go? I was gonna park there, but I mean, trying to park somewhere or what?
Let's park back here, but I'll wait for you.
Alright, wait for me. He's trying to move. You got the taquache cut. That's crazy. I literally come to Cars and Coffee and I just start seeing people. That's what's so cool about the SoCal community. Like we're big, but we're small at the same time. So everyone really does know each other. Damn, I was trying to park outside. Oh, that three-wheel. Bro.
You had to get here like at 7.
Dude, I know, dude. I came up. Dude, it's my first time coming out and it's like packed. Is it a VR4 though? Bro, it's a VR4. Can you see me with one of these? That's all I'm missing, dude. EVO DSM and then good old VR4. Got the Ferrari. Damn, you got the GTR over here and the little Jeep. Dude, I would drive the crap out of this, dude. It's actually pretty cool. It's so tiny. It's boosted? Oh yeah, you can see. It's got something in there. It's clean. Oh, we got the EVO. This is the only EVO I've seen at the meet besides yours. The STIs.
Yeah, nice little lineup right here. Look.
Yeah, of all exotics.
Yeah.
Ferrari, McLaren, NSX. I've driven one of those. Those things are sick, dude. Yeah, they're like hybrid. Damn, bro. Got the Aventador though. Little hippie van. What the heck is that, dude? What? We got Vin Diesel, dude. That's crazy.
Yo!
What the? Oh yeah. Damn, dude, there's like every type of car possible here. Got the Viper, Lexus, Murcielago, NSX,
Yeah.
Datsun. You got a R34.
With the Ferrari wagon.
Where? Damn, dude, what the heck? Bro, that shit goes hard, dude.
F15.
Oh yeah. We got the S15 right here. GTR. Supra. I got Miguel DSM in the house. Silver Eclipse. Big rip, bro. Big rip. I know how that feels. Schneck. Alright, we're back to the cars. She's gonna turn on his stock little EVO.
Best coaster.
Look at that. Run Subi. That's hella quiet. Stock exhaust or what? People spotted me at the meet. Post it real quick. Bro, I'm stuck. Bro, I'm three-wheeling. Oh, damn, dude. What up? This thing super loud, straight pipe, honestly. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. Honestly, I was not expecting to have this type of video today, but it was more of a lifestyle vlog. I really don't do these type of vlogs in my channel, but if you guys liked it, let me know in the comments. It's something completely different, but I do it often, so I just don't record it. If you guys are into this kind of stuff, more POV, me going to meets and stuff like that and just hanging out with people, let me know. I'll just do more. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video.